My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking, YouTube? It's me, your host, Toon, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring you another sneaker pickup / sneaker review, early review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram all in the description below, and it'll be right next to me. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, so early sneaker review. I don't think you're gonna see this the day that I actually record this. Me recording this, it's Tuesday. Yeah, so you're probably not gonna see this until like Wednesday or Thursday or something like that, because I know for a fact I'm not gonna be able to post this because I gotta edit it. So I'm not gonna be able to post it today. So you probably see this like on Wednesday, Thursday, possibly even Friday, whenever I get a chance to upload this. So, but I'm still kicking out these bangers for y'all. Gotta give y'all this content. This shoe drops on Saturday, if I'm not mistaken. I saw this shoe a while back. I had the opportunity to do a review for this a couple weeks ago. I had an opportunity to do it with the shoe. I just didn't want to do it. I didn't think it was gonna be a big buzz, but then it's still not a big buzz. Just want to make it clear, it's still not a big buzz. But I told myself, bro, I gotta give y'all content, because this is why y'all subscribe to my channel. This is why y'all come to my channel, whether you subscribe or not, which you should be. But I gotta give y'all content. So even though I don't like the shoe, don't mean you might not like the shoe or she might not like the shoe. So bring y'all some more content. So on my way to the spot to see the shoe, get this close look, and then I'm gonna get back to the house and give y'all a detailed information about the shoe. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna make this real quick because I wasn't really gonna do a review for this shoe because I don't think that the shoe is actually gonna sell at all, but gotta get some content for the channel, and I like giving y'all content for the channel. So here we go. See the regular brown box, black Jumpman right there in the middle. Brown. Quality inspired by the greatest player ever. I mean, y'all's greatest players ever. This is y'all GOAT, not mine. All right, Air Jordan 12 Retro. Color is white, gem red, black. Size 11. This is not a personal pair. I will not be picking up this shoe. I have no second thoughts about that. Like, I don't want this shoe at all. It has nothing to do with it being 12, because I actually like Jordan 12s, but this colorway is just not it for me. So, and without further ado, I don't even know the name of these. I think these are called the reverse flu games. I could be wrong about that. Don't quote me on that. I'll give y'all some more information about these when I get back home. But like I said, I just want to give you an early alert. So we're just gonna say the Air Jordan 12 reverse flu games. Boom. Okay, so like I said, I think these are called the reverse flu games. I'm not too sure, but got this all white leather. Got that red right there. It says Jumpman. Got the 2-3 in the center right there. Red Jumpman right there on the white leather tongue. Pull tab right here. Jordan. Also says, once again, quality inspired by the greatest player ever. Your greatest player ever. 23 right there in the rubber sole in the back. Pull tab, Jumpman. I mean, it's a plain shoe, nothing special, but this color block, and I do not a fan of this red, black, red. I mean, black, red, black. Excuse me, I'm just not a fan of this. You got the rubber outsole like most 12s, and the creases right there. You got that white and black. Jumpman right there on the toe cap. 23 black pods. Just not a good shoe in my opinion, and I do not think this is going to sell out at all. I actually was just talking to someone about this, and he was like, yo, I hope I can get my son this. I'm like, yo, you're gonna be able to get it. You don't gotta worry about that. These will be highly available everywhere. If this sells out, then I don't know what's going on with the world. But not trying to convince y'all not to get this. Like I said, if you like it, I love it. You feel me? I'm just saying, for me, no. This is a big no. This is a big drop. Wouldn't waste my money. I think this month I only bought 2 pairs of shoes. What did I buy? Oh, I bought the KDs. That was my last review. Go check that out. And I bought the KD Weathermans, and I bought the Kobe's. Which Kobe's was? Oh, the new Kobe GGs. I read that. And I bought the NLE Chopper duck boots today. They restocked, so I mean, I had to get that. I like that, but I like that goofy stuff like that. But this, nah, I'm good on that. So this is a slow month for me, and hopefully it stay like that because I'm not really buying shoes the way I used to anyway. So anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Is this a cop or drop for y'all? Do y'all want it? Like I said, if you like it, I love it. I'm not mad at that. If you want to cop it, buy what you want, wear what you want. That's what I'll say. Anyway, I'm gonna give y'all some more information about this shoe, and yeah, be back. Okay. Home at last. As you can see, well, you can't see because of the blackout curtains, but it's nighttime. Got Tree right there looking at me like, what is this guy doing? Look at this guy. Anyway, let me give you some information so I can wrap this video up. I got some information off of Sneaker Bar Detroit. Shout out to Sneaker Bar Detroit. It'll be up right now. All right. Hold on, let me just close this ad as soon as that pop up. Hold on. Give me 1 sec. There it is. Boom. All right. So I was wrong. They're not the reverse flu games, but they are the reverse of another classic Jordan 12, the Taxis. These are the Taxi Flip, and these release. Well, we'll get to that. Anyway. All right. So in a nod to his 1996 debut, Jordan Brand introduced the Taxi Flip, Air Jordan 12, set to launch in May 2024. I'm gonna put this down a little bit because my arms are already starting to get tired. Captivating sneakers fans anew with his mix of nostalgia and modern. The Taxi Flip promises to elevate any sneaker collection. Cap. The shoe upper is made of a tumble white leather featuring stitched lines and a bold black lizard text mudguard. Adding to his appeal, a vibrant green red Jumpman logo is elegantly stitched on the tongue, matching the midfoot TPU overlay, combining functional and style. A lightweight midsole houses full-length Zoom air cushioning for supreme comfort and responsiveness. Plus, a carbon fiber spring plate enhances performance, providing stability with every step. All right, these released May 25th. Retail is $200. In summary, the Taxi Flip edition of the Jordan 12 pays homage to his iconic predecessor while offering a fresh take on today's sneaker enthusiasts. With its blend of classic design elements and modern features, this release is sure to make a statement on the street and in collections everywhere. Cap. There it is, May 25th, which is on Saturday. Price is $200. There go some more images in case you want to see some more. This shoe is horrible. Like I'm not going to sit up here and pretend like it's not. I'm not going to lie. Again, you like it, I love it. It's buy what you like. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about my opinion. I'm just giving y'all some early looks at shoes that you probably only seen from images. It is a take on the Taxis, which I have down there. I don't know if I have the remake of the Taxis. Like I said, I'm not going to call myself a sneakerhead. It's going to get a little bit dark. But I think these are the Taxis, right? These are Taxis, right? No. These was another version of the Taxi, but these was called, what was they called? I forgot what it was called. I forgot. But I did do a review for this one. Should I put it up there? I'll put it up there right now. Anyway, I wore these one time. But I guess I don't got the Taxis. I got the Playoffs. I don't got that many Jordan 12s. Then I look at it. I got those two, and the Cherries just dropped. I got those. Yeah, I don't got that many 12s. I mean, 12s are cool, but not really my thing, to be honest with you. I mean, they okay. They okay. But again, buy what you like what you buy. Don't worry about me. I'm just giving y'all my opinion on how I see these shoes. That does not mean you should not go out and buy the shoe. If you like it, go get it. But I think it's horrible. Anyway, man, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my man's Instagram, all the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. And as always, from me, host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead, representing Tune's Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.